Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act as a global admin. Without that role, you cannot delete the organization. First, back up all tenant data, users, mailboxes, SharePoint sites, and OneDrive files, because deletion is irreversible. Once done, unassign and remove custom domains. Move users off domains, delete DNS records, and ensure no service relies on them. Make sure billing is settled and subscriptions are canceled so there are no active resources blocking deletion. Now proceed to the Azure Active Directory portal to begin tenant cleanup. Next, remove all identities that block deletion. Delete user accounts, guest users, and service principals or transfer ownership where needed. Cancel every subscription in Microsoft 365 and Azure. Make sure billing shows 0 active subscriptions. Delete registered applications and any linked Azure resources, storage, VM, or databases, because orphaned resources will prevent tenant deletion. Empty recycle bins in SharePoint and OneDrive, and clear authentication methods like MFA. To close the organization, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and choose Close Organization. Follow confirmation prompts and keep a record of the closure ID. After requesting closure, verify Azure AD shows no remaining users, apps, domains, or subscriptions. Deletion may take time to propagate. If the process is blocked, check billing holds, hidden guest accounts, reserved IPs, or lingering resource locks. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, inspect Admin Center error codes and resolve the specific dependency. Billing or a residual resource is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.